Hey, hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to my new unboxing and review video. Alright guys, I got a new gaming mouse here that I just purchased and yeah, let's check it out. Alright guys, so here it is, my brand new Razer Cobra customizable gaming mouse. So, I just got it an hour ago. I paid like 50 euros for it. And honestly, I never been a guy who would throw a lot of money on gaming mouses, keyboards, headsets, that kind of stuff. I just don't think that it's that important to throw a lot of money on it, so this seemed like a reasonable price. Razer is a pretty popular gaming brand, and yeah, let's check this bad boy out. So this is how it's packed. It comes with this little manual. It says Razer Cobra. Alright, let's see. Ooh, a Razer sticker. Black Razer sticker, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see, what does it say? Unleash your true potential. We were the first to create a mouse dedicated to gaming. Today, we continue to be industry leaders, utilizing the least technology to deliver gaming mice equipped with the best optical sensors. Backed by the fastest and most stable wired and wireless connections, left or right-handed, MMO or FPS, you'll find just what you need to bring your A game every time. And there's like signature or something. So at the sides here it says 8500 dpi optical sensor, precise adjustment in 50 dpi increasement, max speed 300 IPS, max acceleration 35G. I'm not even 100% sure what that means, but okay. I mean, DPI is sensitivity. I'm not sure what IPS is, and 35G, what's that? Present calibration with Razer mouse mats. Then eliminates unattended double clicks 3 times faster than mechanical switches. 90 million click durability. Optical mouse switches Gen 3. Then synapses, Razer synapses, it says fully customizable for button mapping and macros, features hypershift for extra controls, powered by Razer Chroma RGB, USB Type A port, compatible with Windows 10 64-bit, which is also for Windows 11, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really matter which Windows you use. So yeah, it says maximize your device with Razer synapses. Access advanced options and general controls as you rebind buttons, assign macros, personalize device lighting, and more with the Unified Hardware Regulation tool. So you can download the hardware on the PC and like customize the mouse, get help with Razer support. Then this is like the legend of the buttons and stuff. Alright, bunch of different languages. Alright, basic manual. Now let's check out the mouse itself. What I already like is that it has this cloth kind of like wire. Oh, there's a little cap that protects the USB port, and it's green on the inside. because that's just how Razer is. They really like green color. Alright. Now this is the mouse itself. It is very light, extremely light. Fully plastic, of course. It has some white at the bottom. I guess that's for the smoother reaction. This is where the optical sensor is. It feels very smooth on the table. It probably feels even smoother on the mouse pad, which I do have. It has two buttons at the side, one in the center, that's probably for a DPI. Right, left mouse, click, and then middle mouse button, scroll wheel. And that's it. You got the Razer logo at the back. Super simple. So let's plug it in. Alright, and here it goes. Alright. So it kind of slowly changes colors. And the middle button, yeah, it increases DPI. So I'm looking at a monitor right now, and this is first level, second, third, fourth, fifth. So there is like 5 levels of sensitivity. The second one seems to be the best for me. And yeah, I mean, oh look, there is also a little like track at the back, like at the bottom of the mouse. Feels nice in the hand. It's not too big, not too small. Just right size to fit in the palm of your hand. Reacts perfectly fine. Oh, it just automatically installed the software as I plugged it in the computer, as you can see here. Alright, that's pretty cool. So you don't even have to download anything. It automatically recognizes and installs the software. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's check what the software says. Alright, so might be a bit stupid to record a screen like this, but yeah, those are the options that you get offered with when you plug in the mouse. It offers you to install Razer Synapse 4. Basically, this is just like additions for your computer. Razer Synapse 4 will continue to be the primary hardware configuration tool for all your Razer devices. Blah blah blah. Honestly, I wouldn't install any of this. Like, this is for like custom RGB, like Chroma app. I honestly don't need any of this. So, no thanks, Razer. I don't think I will install anything. Yes, cancel. Alright. So yeah, the mouse works very smooth. This is the second speed. This is the third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, holy fuck, it has big DPI when you put it on 5. So yeah, it's smooth. Works real nice. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, well, that's it for this unboxing and review video. Short and sweet, just the way I expected it to be. I mean, it's a gaming mouse, so there's nothing really much to talk about here. It's very simple, it feels very simple, and I'm a very simple man. I like simple things, so I hope it will serve me well. So it's time to let my White Shark Octavius go to retirement. And yeah, the mouse wheel, like the scroll wheel, is completely destroyed on this one. You know, I can't really play games like that, which is why I decided to buy the new mouse. And Razer Cobra, I think, is gonna do just fine. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want to, guys. If you don't want to, you don't have to, it's totally fine. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are down below description, so check that out anytime you want to, guys. Again, if you don't want to, you don't have to, it's totally fine. I love you. I appreciate all of your support and everything you've done for me and my channel so far. You guys are amazing, and I'll definitely see you in the next videos. Chris out.